Hi children, how are you? I think all of you are fine and safe. So, whatever the worksheets we are giving, complete the worksheets in one notebook, all the subjects. After coming to the school, all the teachers will check your worksheets compulsory. So, don't waste your time, complete the worksheets subject wise. Okay, so in our last video, we discussed about our earth continents. We discussed about the 7 continents. So today in this video we are going to discuss about the our earth oceans. So oceans. So we know that our earth is a planet in the solar system. It is comprises of 71% of water and the remaining 29% with the land. So the whatever the 29% is there, it was categorized or divided into 7 continents. So whatever the first part, the 71% of the earth is there, it was covered with water. So whatever that 71% of water is there, it was divided into 5 major oceans. How many oceans, children? It was divided into 5 major oceans. So first of all, what are oceans? You should know the definition for oceans. So the 7 continents of the world are separated by large stretches of water, that is called oceans. What are called oceans? The 7 continents of the world are separated by large stretches of water called oceans. Okay now. So there are 5 major oceans. To remember the names of the 5 oceans, here I would like to give you a small code. Let us see this chart now. So here see. So there are 5 major oceans. How many? There are 5 major oceans we have. So first of all, a small code I would like to tell you, that is P A I S A. What is this word, Nana? Paisa. P-A-I-S-A. Paisa now. So if you remember this small word, automatically the 5 names of the oceans you can remember for long time also. So see, one letter indicates one ocean. For example, letter P, it indicates Pacific Ocean. It indicates the Pacific Ocean. And second letter A, it indicates the Atlantic Ocean. And the third letter I, it indicates Indian Ocean. It indicates Indian Ocean. And the fourth letter S, it indicates Southern Ocean. It indicates Southern Ocean. And last one A, it indicates Arctic Ocean. So there are 5 oceans: Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean, Arctic Ocean. To remember these 5 oceans, it is a small code, that is Paisa. That is a Paisa. So each word, P indicates Pacific Ocean, A indicates Atlantic Ocean, I indicates Indian Ocean, S indicates Southern Ocean, A indicates Arctic Ocean. So by remembering this small word Paisa, you can remember the 5 oceans names. What are oceans? So here these are the definition of the oceans. The 7 continents of the world are separated by large stretches of water. Water bodies are what are called oceans. So how many oceans are there? There are 5 major oceans are there. How many, children? 5 oceans. So first one is Pacific, second one is Atlantic, third one is Indian, and the fourth one is Southern Ocean, and the last one is the Arctic Ocean. So these are the 5 major oceans. Before going to learn about these 5 oceans in detail, first of all, let us locate the 5 oceans in the world map. So this is the world map, isn't it now? In last video we located continents now. Now let us locate the oceans. So first ocean, Pacific. So Pacific Ocean is located on the both sides of the world. Here we can locate, it is Pacific Ocean. Here also we can write, any one side you can write Pacific Ocean. Okay, that is the first one. Here also we can write, or here also we can write. Second one, Atlantic. Here this is in the middle of the Africa and Americas. Here it is Atlantic, between the Africa and Americas. Atlantic Ocean. So between the Africa and the North and South America, so here we have the ocean, that is Atlantic. And the third one, that is Indian Ocean. So this is India now, you know, no? Down to the India. Here we have the Indian Ocean. Here it is the location of the Indian Ocean. And next Southern Ocean. Here it is the Southern Ocean. And last but not the least, Arctic Ocean, here in the north part. Arctic Ocean. So this is the location of the 5 oceans. Pacific, we can write located in the both sides of the map. Second one, Atlantic. Next Indian. Next Southern, and last Arctic. So this is about location of the 5 oceans. Now let us see in detail about the 5 oceans. One by one we will see. The first one, what is that, children? Pacific Ocean. So what is the first ocean name? That is Pacific Ocean. So Pacific Ocean, it is the largest and deepest ocean in the world. Whatever the 5 oceans are there, among the 5 oceans, Pacific Ocean, it is the largest and deepest ocean. And if you see, it is almost circular in shape. It is almost circular. It means in the round shape. You see, for example, if you see the map, if you fold the map like this, in a, like a circular shape, then if you see both sides, we will get the Pacific Ocean only. Isn't it? That's why Pacific Ocean is almost circular in shape, we can say. And it separates Americas from Asia and Australia. As I told you already, the Pacific Ocean, it separates Americas from Asia and Australia. And the very most important thing about Pacific Ocean, that is the world's deepest trench, which is known as the Mariana Trench. What it is? The Mariana Trench. It is located in the Pacific Ocean. The world's deepest trench, which is called as the Mariana Trench. The depth of the Mariana Trench, it is 10,994 meters. What is the depth of Mariana Trench? 10,994 meters. It is very important. It was also lies in the Pacific Ocean. These are some of the important points about the Pacific Ocean. It is the largest and the deepest one. Second one, Atlantic Ocean. So Atlantic Ocean, if you see, it is the second largest. Pacific is the first largest. Atlantic Ocean, it is the second largest ocean. And if you see the Atlantic Ocean, it shaped like the letter S. If you observe the Atlantic Ocean in the world map, so if you see, it is shaped in the like the letter alphabetic letter S. If you see like this is the alphabet letter S. So in this way, this is also Atlantic Ocean here. So between the Africa and Americas, it is located on Asia and Americas and Africa. So in this way it is. That's why it is shaped in the English alphabet like letter S. And Atlantic Ocean, which separates North and South America from Europe and Africa. And a unique feature of this ocean is the Mid-Atlantic Ridge. So the one more important point about the Atlantic Ocean, that is Mid-Atlantic Ridge. It is a submerged mountain range which has several high peaks that form islands in the ocean. So it is a submerged Atlantic. It is a submerged mountain range, Mid-Atlantic Ridge. That's why it is located. It was located in the Atlantic Ocean. Mid-Atlantic Ridge. It was located in the Atlantic Ocean. So these are the important points about Atlantic Ocean. Now coming to the third one, that is Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean is the third largest ocean among the 5 oceans. Among the 5 oceans, Indian Ocean is the third largest ocean. Here, Indian Ocean is the third largest, and it is the only ocean that is named after a country, that is India. So, Indian Ocean, it is the only ocean named after a country, that is our country India. So entire the 5 oceans, it is the one and only ocean which was named after a country, that is also our country name, that is India. That's why it is called as Indian Ocean. And Asia lies to the north, Australia to its east, Africa to its west. Like this 3 sides of this Indian Ocean, different continents are there. North side Asia is there, Australia in the east side, Africa in the west side. And the two important parts of this ocean are Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal. So Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal both are part and parcel of this Indian Ocean. Whatever that to the west side of our country we have the Arabian Sea. To the east side Bay of Bengal. So Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal they are both are they are part in the Indian Ocean. Okay now. So this is about Indian Ocean. Next coming to the fourth one, Southern Ocean. So which is the fourth largest ocean, that is Southern Ocean, surrounds the continent of Antarctica. So it completely surrounds the entire continent of Antarctica, and it is formed by the merging of southern part of Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean and Indian Ocean, and lies in the southern hemisphere. So the Southern Ocean, it is formed by the merging of, it means three oceans are combining here. Because of that purpose, because of that reason, the Southern Ocean is formed. So what are the three oceans merged here? One is the southern parts of three oceans. One is Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean and Indian Ocean. These three oceans are merged here. That's why the Southern Ocean was formed. It was completely lies in the southern hemisphere. That is about the Southern Ocean. And last but not the least, that is the Arctic Ocean. So Arctic Ocean, it is the smallest ocean among the seven oceans. Among the five oceans, Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean, and since it is located mostly within the Arctic Circle, it is covered with ice all the time. So it was located mostly in the Arctic Circle, and mostly that's why it was covered with the ice. Arctic Circle means it was in the North Pole. So North Pole area means it was very cool. That's why most of the Arctic Ocean it was completely covered with the ice itself. The North Pole is located here. It is the northernmost point on the earth, and the area surrounding it is frozen throughout the year. So Arctic Ocean, it is the southernmost point of the earth. Here I wrote. It is the northernmost point of the earth. Arctic Ocean, it is the northernmost point of the earth, and that's why we can say that it is frozen throughout the 365 days. That's why we can say that as it is northernmost point of the earth, it was located in the North Pole area. That's why it was frozen throughout the 365 days. That is about the Arctic Ocean. Whatever the topic today we discussed, from the topic I would like to give you homework. What is the topic today we covered, children? About oceans. So what are the five oceans we discussed? Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean and Arctic Ocean. About these five oceans today we discussed. From that five oceans, here is the homework for you. So what is that homework here? See, children. So whatever the topic we discussed, from that I would like to give you answer in one sentence. Here are the five questions. So see, the first question is, what are oceans? What is the first question? What are oceans? Second question, which is the largest ocean? Among the five oceans, which is the largest ocean? Third question, what is the depth of Mariana Trench? So in meters you have to write. So what is the depth of Mariana Trench? The fourth question is, which ocean named after a country? Which ocean named after a country? That is the fourth question. The last question, how many oceans are there in the world? How many oceans are there in the world? These are the five questions. So complete the five answers. Who wrote the five answers correct for them? 3 stars. Who wrote 3 answers correct for them? 2 stars. Who wrote 1 answer correct for them? Only 1 star. So complete your homework, children. Bye.